Welcome back to Vintage American Cars. Today, we've got an incredible lineup of 10 classic cars and trucks you can actually buy right now. From Mustangs and Camaros to Corvettes and GTOs, each of these rides comes with a story, personality, and timeless style. Let's dive in. 1. 1967 Mustang Convertible, $23,950, Annapolis. This 67 Mustang Convertible is an absolute showstopper. Painted in sleek white, it's rolling on flawless Magnum 500 wheels wrapped in brand new Cooper Cobra Performance tires. Under the hood, you'll find the original 289 V8 paired with a smooth C4 automatic transmission. It's got a chambered exhaust with dual mufflers that give it the perfect muscle car rumble. What makes this one truly rare is the factory power steering, something you won't find on most convertibles from that year. Add to that NOS bumpers, triple chrome taillight bezels, and immaculate opalescent white upholstery inside, and you've got a Mustang that's a true head-turner. Everywhere it goes, people wave, honk, and snap photos. This isn't just a car, it's an experience on wheels. 2. 1962 MGA Mk2 Roadster, $29,995, Wichita. Next, we have a fully restored 1962 MGA Mk2 Roadster in bright red. This one is a true classic British sports car, but with the heart and soul of an enthusiast's rebuild. The engine has been completely rebuilt from the ground up with only about 300 miles since. It comes with brand new parts, including a machined flywheel, new clutch system, and fresh transmission seals. Even better, the original matching number 1622 engine is still included, crated and preserved for collectors who value originality. On top of that, you'll get spare carbs, a brand new windshield, and even a backup alternator. This MGA isn't just restored, it's ready for the open road with a mix of authenticity and reliability. Number 3. 1962 Ford Thunderbird Convertible, $26,500, Parrish. Here's an American icon, the 1962 Ford Thunderbird Convertible in Rangoon Red. This car looks stunning with its fresh red carpeting and a new convertible top. It's powered by a 390 engine with a C4 automatic transmission, plus power brakes, power steering, power windows, and a power top. Luxury all the way. Recent updates include new carpeting, trunk matting, fresh brake parts, and even new solenoids. The wide white wall tires complete its classic look. With just one glance, you can see why the Thunderbird earned its place in American history. This car is elegance, comfort, and style all in one. 4. 1967 Chevelle, $47,000, Asheville. No list of classics is complete without a Chevelle. This 1967 example is a beauty in red, in great shape inside and out. It's an original panel car with power brakes and automatic transmission, ready to hit the road. The Chevelle is one of the most beloved muscle cars of the 60s, and this one is no exception. Simple, powerful, and built for cruising, it's a car that collectors never stop chasing. 5. 1964 Lincoln Continental Convertible, $29,000. Now here's a car with presence, the 1964 Lincoln Continental Convertible. Famous for its bold styling and suicide doors, this car is a true American luxury icon. This particular one has been in the same family for over 30 years and is a real garage find. It runs, drives, and even has new tires, making it a perfect candidate for restoration. Or you could preserve it as a survivor. While it has a few quirks like a window that needs fixing, the potential here is massive. With limited production and its legendary design, the 64 Continental convertible remains one of the most desirable classics ever built.
6. 1965 Pontiac GTO convertible, $55,000, key fill. Up next, the car that started the muscle car era, the 1965 Pontiac GTO convertible. Restored and finished in a beautiful blue, it's powered by a 389 V8 with 335 horsepower paired with a manual transmission. Everything about this car screams performance and style. The convertible top works perfectly, the seats have been freshly reupholstered, and the chrome shines bright. With less than 25,000 miles showing on the odometer and only a couple thousand miles driven by the current owner, this GTO is in amazing shape. A true dream car for any muscle car fan.
7. 1967 Chevy C10 pickup, $10,000, Granada. Here's something different, a 1967 Chevrolet C10 pickup. Painted in eye-catching orange, this project truck is already off to a great start. It's got a good engine and transmission, upholstered seats, LED headlights, new bumpers, chrome, and more. Yes, it needs some finishing touches and has a dent on the fender, but at this price, it's the perfect classic truck project. Whether you want a resto mod, a weekend cruiser, or just a cool old-school pickup, this C10 gives you plenty of room to create something special. 8. 1967 Pontiac Firebird, $35,000, Moral. Next up is the legendary first-year Pontiac Firebird. This 1967 Firebird comes with a factory 400 engine and even has a blower setup, giving it a serious performance edge. The body is in solid condition, and while it isn't currently running, it's a fantastic foundation for a high-powered street machine. First-gen Firebirds are climbing in value every year, and this one is begging for a little TLC to bring it back to life. For the right buyer, this is an opportunity to own a piece of muscle car history. 9. 1966 Corvette 427 convertible, $79,000, Campbell. Here's a blue-chip collectible, the 1966 Corvette 427 convertible with just 62,000 original miles. Finished in Nassau blue with a black interior, this car has undergone a detailed restoration. The paint, chrome, trim, weather stripping, and even the hood grills are all either replaced or refinished. The 427 engine under the hood is legendary, and this Corvette backs it up with documentation, originality, and condition. It's the kind of car that turns heads at shows and only goes up in value with time. A true collector's piece.
10. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, $38,000. We finish with another American icon, the 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. This car features its numbers-matching 327 V8 and Power Glide transmission, with complete documentation going all the way back to 1968. It's been professionally restored between 2018 and 2021, with upgrades like power steering, powered disc brakes, and refreshed suspension components. With only 3 owners in its entire lifetime, this Camaro has been loved and preserved with care. It's ready for car shows, cruising, or simply enjoying as a piece of living history. And that wraps up our list of 10 incredible classics you can find right now. From muscle cars and luxury convertibles to pickups and sports cars. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Vintage American Cars. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more timeless rides. See you next time.